Hi friends, so today I'll be showing you a simple experiment which is to rise water with just a candle and a glass. So let's start. Here I have a bottle of water. I added red food coloring to make it red color. Here I have taken a plate, a glass and a candle. So let's carefully pour the water. And let's gently place the candle. Okay, now let's light the candle. Okay, so now the candle is burning. Let's do the experiment. Now it's time for the magic. The glass. Oh yeah, the magic has happened. I'll tell you why it happened. Because when the candle is burning, it uses oxygen, and when we trap the oxygen using the glass, the oxygen in the glass gets finished out because of the candle, and then the candle's flame makes the air heated and expand. That's what happened at the first. It didn't suck any water. After the flame went out, the air cooled. Then it contracted. So there are more space for the water. So the water gets pushed in by the high pressure outside. Inside the glass there is a low pressure and outside there is a high pressure. So the high pressure has always a tendency to make both the pressures equal. So when the air contracts, it shrinks. So there are space left. There, the atmosphere tries to maintain the pressure by pushing in some water. And that's what this is. Because of the pressure difference, some water is pushed in, and that's what we see here. And when we lift the glass, the pressure maintains, so the water falls away. And this is the principle behind this awesome magic. It's a good experiment and it's really a good one. Even though you need a more powerful candle to fill it more. It depends on the amount the candle consumes. And that is the principle behind this experiment. Okay, now let's lift it. And it's done. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.